Thank you so much to NUS-ISS for hosting another exciting, insightful Learning Festival 2025. And I'm really looking forward to the AI this year. What are the mega trends, the applications? So I'm sure it would be an exciting day.
So I hope that participants will take away a better understanding of how financial services, or at least the insurance industry, utilize data and AI, and then how they can better design a program for themselves in their own organizations.
One of the key things I really want them to focus on is to look at the possibilities of AI. Not just fearing it or using it for simple daily life use cases, but how they can actually use it more effectively to enhance their productivity and efficiency in their personal life and at work as well.
AI is here to stay, and learning how to use AI is very, very important in the near future. They will just become like your work assistants, your tools, and remember, don't let AI control your life, control the AI.
It's more around AI as a liberator, not that of a threat, and it really gives us the ability to live life with more well-being and empathy. This Learning Fest re-emphasizes the need to have that empathy and journey.
Inspiring. It has been enlightening.
I would say multidimensional, cross-industry and transformative.
Exciting, great sharing and insightful.
See you next year at the Learning Festival.
See you next year.
See you next year.
See you next year! See you!